I see. Is it a tickly cough?
Or a chesty cough?
I don't know, but it goes like this.
And when did you get this cough?
When Madame Gazelle started singing.
It's nothing serious.
But Pedro's cough may be catching.
What do you mean, catching?
As I thought, Pedro's cough is catching.
Danny Dog and Susie Sheep have caught Pedro's cough.
Open wide.
Ugh! It tastes of carpet-flavoured carpet yoghurt. It tastes of flowers. Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear?
No, Peppa.
I'm never ill.
I eat an apple.
A day.
Madame Gazelle, can you sing your song now? Miss Polly-headed Dolly who was... This is Peppa Pig. All the grown-ups are ill.
Not to worry, Peppa.
I'm on my way.
Hello, everyone.
Open wide.
It tastes like custard and oats